It was tight, but they managed to come up with the win.
You know, nobody wants to lose a close game, Kevin. It's much better to win those tight ones.
We're going to show the highlights right now.
For Dorisburg, Steve Curry, Clark Kellogg, this is Kevin Harlan saying so long.
Look, right there. Put it right there. Look.
We give you our Jordan
Look again.
of the game, LeBron
Some
James.
bums.
Okay, I'll take that right